Hi, I'm Sarah Maiga, realtor and your go-to real estate expert. And today, we're going to be continuing with the home buying video series with the next step in the process, how to know when it's the right time to write an offer. If you've been following along in our series so far, then you'll know that I've already covered what is buyer agency and why you need it, what is the process of buying a home, what is the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification, what questions you should ask your lender. And now that we've covered how to put together a winning team, you may be wondering, how do I know when to write an offer on a property? Well, here are a few tips and tricks to help you decide if writing an offer is the right thing. Tip 1. If you were to find out that the house were sold, would you be upset? If so, that's a pretty good indication that this house is one you should consider writing an offer on. Tip 2. Do you find yourself thinking about the house after you've seen it? Are you in your kitchen cooking dinner and dreaming about the new house? That's probably a good indication that you should be writing an offer. Tip 3, if you're benchmarking, i.e. you're comparing other homes we see to another property. Oh, the home on Elm Street had a walk-in closet, or the home on Elm Street had a better kitchen. If you're doing this repeatedly across multiple homes, then you should probably be writing an offer on the home on Elm Street. Tip 4, is the house you saw unique? Does it really stand out or have a feature that's hard to find in your market or price point? If you're looking for a custom home like a ramp to the front door, a screened-in sunroom, first floor master bedroom, or some other uncommon feature, then you may not completely love it, but it may be very difficult to find another. This is when you may want to consider writing an offer on that home. While there's a lot to consider before deciding to write, remember you're not in this alone. If you've hired the right buyer's agent, then you'll be prepared, educated, and comfortable when the right home comes along. It goes without saying that our team is happy to walk with you on your home buying journey. We can be a resource and advocate for you no matter where you are in the process. So please contact me with any real estate questions you have at the number below. And if I'm not able to personally assist you, I can refer you to another qualified agent anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching and see you next time.